Hi all, this is Yashodhan, working as an assistant professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see a detailed case study on theft alarm using Logicate, particularly burglar in India, and a simple solution to address this issue. So as we all know that the theft news is getting day by day increasing all over the world, particularly in India, due to various reasons. uh, it can be depend upon the country and the regions. So we need a simple solution in order to address this issue. It should be practiced even by a middle class or a lower middle class and upper middle class people in order to avoid these kind of thefts. A simple solution or a simple survey is here every minute a burglary, a robbery of a or break-in is taking place in India. As per the National Crime Records Bureau of India, nearly 3 lakhs robbery, theft, burglar taking place in the residential places during the year 2019. It suggests up to 2000, 10 percentage in 2020. Even the financial loss is very huge. It nearly it almost crossed 3 crore rupees. There is an alarming situation here. There is a 40 percentage of financial loss increase in the 2020. So we need a solution in order to stop this. Apart from residential area, the other target is banks and some huge malls and other locations where robberies keep an eye on that one. So we need a simple solution which can be practiced by all laymen or a common man peoples. So the solution comes from digital electronics, that is nothing but logic gates. By using simple logic gates, we can solve the solution. The logic gates maybe comes around 100 rupees, so we can implement in the all type of homes and all type of shops or cinema halls or whatever things we can implement. Only thing is we need to modify according to the application or according to the area where we are going to implement this one. Okay, this is a simple solution, a simple thing we can do it in our home. We do have two sensors. One is person sensor and alarming switch. If both the sensors get something in as an input, a burglar alarm will be created. Similarly, if any one of these sensor gets input, we can get an alarm situation also. If both the sensor, if you need input from both the sensor, we can get this input from another gate and then give it as an output. Here, this is a simple solution. So we can implement this thing not only in a single entry. We can implement this kind of codes in all the entries of our home. We do have a lot of windows and at least two doors in a home, so we can implement this kind of gates in gates or security alarm system in all the entry points of our home. Logic gates are divided into three types. One is basic gates, which consists of NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. Another one is universal gates, a NAND gate and NOR gate. And third one is special gates, XOR gate and XNOR gates. So first we will see the basic gates. Basic gates is nothing but there are three types. One is NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. A NOT gate is simply called as inverter. If you give 0, the output will comes as 1. If you give 1, the output will consist of 0. Here in digital electronics, 0 is nothing but low input, whereas 1 is nothing but it is nothing but high input. So you should differentiate between zeros and ones. 0 is nothing but we are giving the input, we are not giving any inputs, whereas 1 is nothing but we are giving some inputs to the systems. So 0 is nothing but 0 volts, whereas 1 is nothing but plus 5 volts. So that is a basic thing behind this one. Whereas AND gate is nothing but a simple multiplication bit. If both the inputs are high, you will get a high output. If any one of the inputs is low, then you will then the end result will be a low output only. Next one is OR gates. In the OR gates, if it's simply called as addition gates, where any one of the inputs is high, we will get the high output. So in the gates, the next gates is universal gates. So NAND gate and NOR gate is called as universal gates. It's called as universal gates since with the help of NAND gate and NOR gates, we can build all other gates like NOR gate, AND gate, OR gate, or XOR gate or XNOR gates can be built with the help of NAND gate itself. Similarly, we can build any gates with the help of NOR gates. So these two gates, NAND gates and NOR gates, are called as universal gates. The basic working is simple. It's just an inverse of uh, AND gate. The result is NAND gate. The inverse of OR gates is the result is NOR gates. The third type is a special gates where both the inputs are same, we will get the output. If both the inputs are different, we will get the output. So this is done with the help of exclusively NOR and exclusively OR respectively. In the exclusively OR, I think the photo is getting the exclusively R type. If both the inputs are different, that means input is high and another input is low, we will get the output, that is high output. Similarly, in the XNOR, if both the inputs are same, the inputs may be both the inputs may be low or both the inputs may be high, we will get the output as high. This is called as exclusively NOR. So these types of gates can be implemented where and when necessary. If inputs need both the inputs are high, then the alarm system has to be activated. Then we have to implement the particular gates. So by choosing the application, we can go for the gates. These gates are available readily with very cheap cost in and around 10 rupees to 100 rupees as a bulk. So the minimum cost of the gates will comes around 1 to 2 rupees. So the outcome or the end results are at present these digital electronics helps in building CCTV, access control, attendance system, video door, phone, security alarms, fire and smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, so and so on. So the basic thing is we have to learn the logic gates and we have to simply understand the basic working of logic gates and try to implement the basic building of logic gates in simple projects and have to go from there and then build a big alarming system or whatever the systems you are building. You have to create with the help of the basic buildings of logic gates so that it can be easily modified and easily customized according to the customer or your needs. I hope you understand the uh, why we had conducted this simple case study of burglaring system and what are the needs of or what are the solution we can address with the help of logic gates. We- Thank you for listening.